Hi everyone, in this video we are going to find mode for the group data. Please remember mode is the highest frequency in a set of data. Now we look at example. We have 84 customer and then the data is about waiting time. We are going to find the mode for this data. The formula will be L plus D1 over D1 plus D2 multiplied by C. So we need to display our data in the table here. We need only the class and the frequency. What is L? L is lower boundary. Lower boundary. Okay, first step, we are going to find what is the highest frequency of the data. So we look at F. The highest frequency will be the 31. Highest frequency of the data. So our modal class will be 11 until 50. So this is modal class. Okay, from the modal class, we can find the lower boundary. So lower boundary for modal class will be, we are going to take 11 plus with the upper boundary from the class before. Here, plus 10 and then divided by 2. So we get 10.5 will be the lower boundary. Okay, next we are going to find D1 and D2. D is stand for the difference. D1 is difference between the highest frequency with the frequency before. So this one will be D1. 31 minus 13. For D2, the difference between the highest frequency with the class after. So this one will be D2. 31 minus 19. So calculate for our D1 and D2. 18 and 12. Okay, next, we are going to find our C. What is C? C is size class. So we are going to find the size class of the modal class. The formula will be size class is upper boundary minus lower boundary. So upper boundary for the modal class here will be 15 plus 16 divided by 2, which is equals to 15.5 minus lower boundary is 10.5. So our C is 5. And then we are going to substitute into the formula. Our mode is equals to lower boundary 10.5 plus D1 is 18 divided by 18 plus 12 multiplied by 5. Our mode is 13.5. So that's all to find mode for the group data. Thank you. Bye-bye.